Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you if you are concerned about online privacy and want to stop website from tracking your activity. This video is for you. So let's get started. So firstly open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar you can search for privacy badger. Click on the extension, then click on add to Chrome, and then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any website which you need to protect and stop tracking from website. Like I am opening a website. In the second tab I will open ChatGPT and click on the extension. Here you will see in ChatGPT there are no trackers blocked. In the another site there are three potential trackers blocked, like this: blocked images dmca.com, page to google syndication.com, and loudsummon.com. Now it's changed to 5. You will see two more trackers are added, like block cookies and googleanalytics.com. Also you can disable this privacy badger for specific website, or enable to all, like disable for this site. Now this is not working on this. Whenever you again working on this, just simply click on enable for this site. You can also check link tracking protection active, and in the options you can manage data tracking, domains, visit replacement, and journal settings. You can see like show count of trackers, send website of global privacy, prevent sites from tracking. All the setting you can change according to your need. And that's it. That's how to use privacy badger in Google Chrome for privacy settings. It's a simple tool that can help make your browsing experience more private with very little setup. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.